Hello friends, this is Sam. In this session, what we are going to learn, we will see how to customize lookup dialog box. Now, lookup dialog box, what is that? Suppose you already implemented lookup relationship, or for that matter maybe master detail relationship. In both the cases we can have this concept of customizing lookup dialog box. So let us stick to lookup relationship as of now. Suppose I do have employee object and I do have department object, and there is a lookup relationship between them. So as we know, we add lookup at the many side. So there is a lookup of department in employee. Now whenever I add any record in the employee and whenever I look up for the department, there is a small problem. What is the problem? Let me show you. Suppose I do have employee and department and they are part of company app. Now I want to add new record to employee. So let me see firstly the existing records of employee. So I do have 7 employee. Suppose I want to add new employee. Okay, or I want to edit any existing employee. It is same. So let's say I want to edit first employee, and here I want to look up for the department. So here what I can see is I can see recently viewed departments only. So if I see D here and if I see go, then D0, D3. So here I want to see now what I see here, D002 and D003. Okay, these departments are there. I can very well say D001, and I can very well get that also, the D001. So let me see, I think that got deleted already. So there are, let me see how many departments are there first. Let me see. So there are two departments only. So of course we will see only 2 departments there. So let me add the new record, and whenever I say new record and I try to look up, here what I get is I get only one field, which is a standard field in department name. But I want to get computer department, electronics department. So looking at that, I want to select a particular department. So in this dialog box, actually I want to show all the fields. So this is what is called as lookup dialog box, and we want to customize that so that all fields will be visible. So that's what customization of lookup dialog box. So how to customize it? First question, you want to customize lookup dialog of which object? Of course, department object. Here you are searching for department, so you want to customize lookup dialog for department object. So what we need to do, we need to go to department object. Let's go to department object, create objects, and let's go to department objects. So I am on definition page of department object. Here at the top you can see that search layout. So lookup dialog is also one type of search layout. Now once I go to search layout section, you can see different dialog boxes and windows are there, and one of the windows is lookup dialog. Let's edit that, and now you can see I can select any number of fields. So I say DNO, DNAME, max count, all fields I want in my lookup dialog. So save. Now let us try to add any new employee. So if I add any new employee, and whenever I browse for this department, you can see that all fields are visible, and looking at this you can select D03. So this is how I customize lookup dialog box. So what will happen whenever I add any new employee? Let us say I want to add this new employee 1008. E-name is maybe Srikanth, salary maybe 14,000, state maybe Karnataka, Bangalore, and D003. So if you want to change it, you can change that also. So for example, looking at the name and every field, you can take the informed decision D001, that's saved. It can be applied on edit also, same thing. Okay, so for example, I want to edit E001 department number. So same thing, whenever I open that, I will see all fields over here. So I just go for this and I say save. Perfect. So this is what is called as customization of lookup dialog box. Thanks for watching this session. See you in the next session, friends.